My name is Dan Serafini with Lippert Marine. In this video, we're going to take a minute to talk through the new clip design that's being rolled out on Smoker Craft Playpen covers for 2025 model year. So unlike previous years where you've seen the clips added onto the Playpen covers, we now have, instead of a sewn application, we now have a hyper-aggressive Velcro application that's on the underside of the covers. And what this really means is that if you ever get into a situation where you have to replace a clip because it breaks, cracks, or whatever, I mean, you can very easily just, with a pair of pliers, strip this clip off and just mash a new one back in its place. It's also great if you ever just, for whatever reason, find a conflict if we're a little bit too close to an upright on your fence construction and you just need a little bit more flexibility. It's real easy to just take that clip and just reposition it over an inch and make sure that you don't run into any situations where you have clip conflicts or unable to engage a clip for any reason. So here again, new for 2025, this is the new Velcro clip application that we're going to be adding on to all of the Smoker Craft Playpen covers. Should make service in the field much easier. And the other big thing with this from a user-friendly standpoint, unlike the previous sewn version of the clips where you had to roll down and in and basically in effect add tension onto the cover, you see this little pull tab. It actually says pull on the clip, and it very easily, just with a finger pressure, rolls outward. So now you're actually releasing the clip with the tension of the cover. It just makes it a whole lot easier to just get the boat open just from the dock side, be able to move down, disengage all the clips, and it just makes the whole process of getting the covers on and off a whole lot easier with this new clip for 2025.